way.
Are we almost there?
Disney World.
We're almost at Disney World?
Make a right turn.
Disney World. I didn't know that. I didn't know where.
Where are we going?
To Disney World.
You think we're almost there?
Yes.
Why do you think you're almost there?
Because we love Disney World.
Lizzie, look out your window.
Disney World. Where are we at Disney World?
Yep.
Do you know what's better than Disney World?
No.
Hotel.
We just went to a hotel, and then we get to Disney World.
Yep. I
Nana?
see mouse ears all over the place, Lizzie.
None of the all over the place.
Yeah.
Mice?
Yeah, I think there's mice all over.
I don't see mice. The papa's coming.
Yeah, and Papa and Nana.
Mommy friend. Can we take off our seatbelt?
No, not yet.
Oh,
We're still driving.
a long time.
Just a few more minutes.
Long.
Long. It's a long time. Please only a little.
Oh, I see the hotel. We're gonna turn.
I see the hotel.
You do.
No.
You'll see it soon.
Where's the hotel?
It's so look.
It's that.
So up
I
here
can't
is
see
so
it.
look.
We are pulling up at the hotel.
Huh?
We gotta stop at the gate first.
They have to let us through. We can't just go in.
No. Wait.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a red sign. It says stop.